Unang alam keseng Kongres Sakajala Meghalaya ubak Ronnie Lyngdoh. Ula kena bak All India Trinamool Congress ke penbet sab-sab bat ke BJP. Haka baydai bat ke election MP kaban Salongshen. Habakaran ni kelat patai kubor haka khat ar terik ula ber ar hajar ar pusau. Ubak Ronnie Lyngdoh ula kentho igijing keren jong unang alam ka AITC u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Ubalaong ba kaseng AITC kam tre asyuk menetrelang mat ke Kongres namar ba ke Kongres kelale kerki ban penna kertong ha Meghalaya. Uba Ronnie Lyngdoh ula kena ba kejeng bam tre jong ka TMC menetrelang mat ke Kongres kala ban long namar bagladan kejeng tu jeng mod bat kejeng penbet sop-sop hapdeng ka TMC bat ke BJP ban paria yagi vote. Uba Ronnie Lyngdoh ula angru balada kam don kejing penbet balik ke TMC ke wadda we kejing bu kertong ke Kongres ha Meghalaya ke berantang Arsit kat bahwa West Bengal pat ke berantang South Arsit kam syamla ong ye la ban kedau hang ne baga TMC ba ke Kongres ki don lang ha ka kenhun jong ke Indian National Development Inclusive Alliance India Bloc.
Compared to West Bengal, which has about 42 seats, Lok Sabha seats, Meghalaya has only 2 seats. So, if they say that, we went ahead and declared in Meghalaya, that's why TMC is not willing to work with us. Why don't they declare that they've come to an agreement, seat sharing in West Bengal? You see, now they don't want to work with the Congress. So, we'd like to question TMC leaders. Have you got some understanding with the BJP? Is there a secret understanding between the TMC and the BJP to prevent consolidation of votes? People who would like to see a secular democratic country like India defeat BJP, which is communal, which is trying to polarize the people on, so many issues. Now, let us put that question. Why doesn't TMC, who is part of the India bloc, come to an understanding and come to a seat sharing in West Bengal? If they had done that in West Bengal, perhaps we could have done it in Meghalaya too. Or is there some understanding between the BJP and TMC so that, votes get divided, opposition votes get divided and benefits the BJP? How does it benefit the TMC by not working with the India bloc, with the Congress? Or is it to benefit the BJP? To ensure that, apparently to appear, TMC and BJP do not have any understanding. But facts state otherwise. Okay, because now the BJP understands very clearly West Bengal has a sizable number of minority votes. So if they come together, all the minority votes will get consolidated in the parties belonging to the India bloc. So there is much more, hidden behind all this. Just to blame Meghalaya, which has only 2 seats, and West Bengal has 42 seats. If 2 seats are so important to TMC, and the 42 seats are not important, I think speaks volumes of their double standards. Because you can see other opposition leaders, you have CBI, you have ED, you have IT, put behind them. And they're arrested. In West Bengal, no such thing happens. So I'm asking this question. Is there any secret understanding between the BJP and the TMC? It's for the people to judge and defeat this party and vote for parties that have come together to ensure that we have a vibrant democracy, we have freedom of press, freedom of the judiciary, and people can worship as per their faith, as per their religion, and uphold the constitution, which is very, very important. You just see the CA. It's petty politics of the BJP. Just before the elections, they brought this to divide people on religious lines, which we condemn, which we will oppose, and we request the people of India, the people of the state, to vote for party that stand for secularism, people that will protect the constitution, people that will ensure that democracy is